Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Khairiyat and very good morning, my dear students. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. So, in this series, grade 9 textbook exercises series, today we are going to see the chapter number 2, Polynomials, exercise 2.4, which deals with algebraic identities. So, in the last video, we have seen the identities x plus y whole square equals x square plus 2x plus y square, identity 2, 3, 4, and the applications of them. So today, let us see in this video, let us see the next question, exercise 2.4. Second question, evaluate the following products without multiplying them directly. So now in this, we can see that uh, they have given us 103 and 107. We have been asked not to multiply directly. So if we are not supposed to multiply directly, so then what can we do? So this is one term and this is another term, second term, right? So if I rewrite this 103 as 100 plus 3 and 107 as 100 plus 7. So how does it look like? Does it look like the fourth identity which we have seen? What was the fourth identity? X plus a times x plus b equals x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Is it right, my dear students? So now, since we have taken this fourth identity because the first term is same and the other two terms are different. So what is in place of x? The first thing, what is in place of x? 100. And what is in place of a? It is 3. What is in place of b? It is 7. And you have same signs on both sides, so you can directly apply this. So that is equal to x square. In place of x I have 100 whole square plus a times b, 3 plus 7 times what is x? In place of x we have 100 plus ab. So is it 3 times 7? And if you are little bit good, so 100 square, how can you write? See, 100 multiplied by 100. So 100 and one more 2 zeros at the back, plus 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 times 100, it is 1000, plus 3 sevens are 21. So it's how much? It is 10,000 plus 1,000, 11,000 and 11,021. Is it clear, my dear students? So this is the another type of application of algebraic identities. Now let us see the next one. It is 95 times, the second one is 95 times 96. See, how can you write? See, you can also write it as 90 plus 5 times 90 plus 6. But my dear students, if we use this identity, what happens actually here? 90 square you have to find out, and you have to multiply the middle term also with 90. So instead of taking this, can I use my common sense and can I write it as, because it's little bit easy to calculate with 100, right? So 95, can I write it as 100 minus 5 multiplied by 96? It is 100 minus 4. So how does it look like? Now here the first term is equal and the second terms are different. So therefore can I use x plus a times x minus x plus b equals x square plus of a plus b times x plus ab. Now let us equate the terms and find out. So in place of x, what do you have, my dear students? In place of x I have 100 and in place of a I have 5. But are the signs matching? So since the signs are not matching, I will take minus also into consideration. In the same way, b equals minus 4. Is it right? So now let us substitute in place of x 100 whole square plus a plus b. A is minus 4 plus of minus 4, sorry, a is minus 5 into x. What is into x? 100 plus a times b. A is minus 5 times minus 4. So that equals, what is 100 square? Just now we have seen it is 10,000 plus, in brackets we have to simplify the brackets, minus 4 plus of minus 5 plus or minus plus of minus 4. When both are negative, what we are supposed to do? In integers we have learned that if both are negative we have to add. 5 plus 4 is 9, and what is the common sign? Minus. So it is minus 9 times 100 plus what is the product of two negatives? The product of two negatives, minus of minus, will be always positive. 5 fours are 20. Is it right? So that is equal to 10,000 plus of minus minus 900 plus 20. See, let us simplify like this. 10,000 minus 900, 9,100. So 9,120. Did you understand, my dear students? So let us see the third problem. What is third problem? The third problem is 1 minute. The third problem is 104 times 96. So this is little bit interesting. So third problem is 104 times 96. Let us write 104 as 100 plus 4. And 96, instead of writing 90 plus 6, if we write 90 plus 6, both the first terms will be different and also second terms. So therefore let us write it as 100 minus 4. So now, my dear students, what is the condition and what can you observe here? The first terms are same and the second terms are same. Here the signs are different, plus and minus. So when you have first term and second term same and you have difference of signs, I remember third identity. What is third identity? A plus b times a minus b equals a square minus b square. And I suggest you not to go directly. First write a is equal to, what is a? 100. And what is b? It's 4. So now substitute. It is 100 square minus 4 square. So what is 100 square? We already know it is 10,000 minus 4 square is 16. So 10,000 minus 10, 990. 9,990 and minus 6, it is 9,984. 9,984. Is it right, my dear students? Yes. So this is what this is the problem, second problem, and let us see if we have any problems of the same kind in the next bit. Let us see the next bit. If it is not the next bit, so then now, yes, now what we have done till now, we have simplified the expression, simplified the given expressions, right? Now instead of simplifying, what is the third question he is asking? Very good. So this question is also based on the first this question is also based on the first four identities which we have learnt, and now he is asking us to do factorize. So let us factorize, my dear students. So what is factorizing? Let us see it. Now factorize. We have to factorize, right? How do you factorize this? See, when you see an algebraic expression like this, if you are asking, if he is asking to factorize using identities, see, let me explain you. In our identity is, so what is the first term? Square. Second, last term square. Here also first term square, last term square. Here first term square and last term square, but you have only two terms with negative. Okay, And the last one, first term square, and last term is a product of factors, and middle term is sum of factors. This is what we use for splitting of middle terms. Identity 4. Now let us see in the first two identities. What does the first two identities say? The first two identities, these first two entities, the first term is a square, perfect square, and the last term is also perfect square, and the middle terms are the product of x and y, but it is multiplied with 2, and you have positive and negative. Okay, so this you have to remember. First one is perfect square, last one is also perfect square. If first term and third term is a perfect square, then you have to go with identity 1 and 2. Now let us see the factorizing. Here, what is the first term here? 9x square. Can you write it as 3x whole 3 square into x square? So can you write it as 3x whole square? So that means it is a perfect square. And the third term is y square. It is already a perfect square. This is also a perfect square. So when you have two perfect squares, what we are supposed to do? We have to use identity 1 or identity 2. But what is the sign of the middle term? The sign of the middle term is positive. So therefore we will be using what we will use, my dear students? We'll be using the first identity because it is positive. So what is first identity? X square plus or. Okay, fine. Let us use this. Let us use identity with different variables. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the identity of a plus b whole square, right? So now let us use this. Let us equate a square is equal to 9x square, that is equal to 3x whole square. So what is a here? So a is equal to 3x. Understood? Now let us see b square. Let us equate. So b square is equal to y square. So what is b, my dear students? B is equal to y. That's good. So we got a and b. But the thing is, in order to use the identity, the middle term has to be satisfied. So let us try to check whether the middle term is equal or not. So 2 times, what did you get? A we got it as 3x multiplied by what is b? It is y. So when I multiply 2 3s are 6 and x into y is xy. So do you have middle term? Is it satisfied? So once the middle term is satisfied, so therefore by using the first identity, I can rewrite it as a plus b whole square. What is a? 3x plus what is b? Y whole square. So that can be written as 3x plus y times 3x plus y. Now understood, my dear students? I have written the given expression as a product of two factors. This is what factorize means. So it's very simple. First equate a and b, and after that check whether middle term is getting satisfied or not. And once it is satisfied, you can write it as you can factorize using our identity. Okay. So now let us see 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So students, here what did I tell you? So it's very simple. In order to factorize, check the first and third term. So first term is 4y square. So can we write 4y square as a perfect square? Yes sir, we can write, because 4y square can be written as 2 square into y square. And when you have same power, can we write it as 2y whole square? So when you can write it as whole square, it is a perfect square. And what about the third term 1? Here 1 always can be written as 1 square. So it is also a perfect square. So when it is perfect square, we have three terms. We have to use the second identity. What is second identity? A square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a minus b whole square. Right, my dear students? So now let us equate and find out a and b. What is a? A square. A square is equal to 4y square, which can be written as 2y whole square. So that implies what is a? A is equal to 2y. Underline it. And now b square is equal to 1. So can we write it as 1 square? So that implies b is equal to 1. So we have we have written it. We got a is equal to 2y and b is equal to 1. Okay. Now what is the next one? Check the middle term. So okay, let us write it as check middle term. So what is middle term? 2ab. Are we supposed to take 2ab or minus 2ab? I'll give you 15 seconds to think. Pause the video and think. We are supposed to use 2ab, not minus 2ab, because minus is satisfied with minus which is over given. That is why we have taken second identity, right? So 2ab. What is 2ab, my dear? 2 times. What is a? A we got 2y. And what is b? We got 1. So what is the answer? It is equal to 2's are 4 and y, 4y. Is middle term satisfied? Yes sir, it is satisfied. So therefore 4y square minus 4y plus 1 can be written as a minus b whole square. What is a? 2y minus, what is b? 1 whole square. So that you can write it as 2y minus 1 times 2y minus 1. See the given expression I have written as a product of two factors. Understood, my dear students? So let us see any other problem. Yes, x square minus y square by 100. So the third one is x square minus y square divided by 100. How many terms you have? Two terms. When you have two terms, check whether first one is perfect square or not. Yes, it is x square. And check whether third term is second term is perfect square or not. Here in numerator you have square and denominator 100. Can you write it as 10 square? When you have square in numerator and denominator, can I take it as whole square? Y by 10 whole square. Yes, it is a perfect square. So the first term is a perfect square and the second term is also perfect square, and you have negative. So which one we have to use? We have to use it as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. This is the third identity which we have learnt. Now before continuing, first write a square is equal to x square. So implies a is equal to x. Try to write the steps like this, and no need to draw this underline, which I do. So now b square is equal to y square by 100. Can I write it as y by 10 whole square? So that implies b is equal to y divided by y divided by 10. Okay. Now once I have written, check middle term. Check. Sorry, there is no middle term. Here we have only two terms. Therefore, it can be written as a plus b. A means x plus b means y by 10 times a minus b, x minus y by 10. Is it right, my dear students? So this is how we use. So what will you write? Therefore, x square minus y square divided by 100 equals x plus y by 10 times x minus y by 10. Okay, this is how we factorize the given expression. So what did we understand now? So whenever expression is given, the first step is check the number of terms. check the number of terms. And if the number of terms are 3, if the number of terms are 3, so then first step is check first and third terms whether they are perfect squares or not. If there are perfect squares, then check the sign of middle term. Sign of middle term. So if the middle term is positive, if it is positive, go with a plus b whole square. And if it is negative, go with a minus b whole square. Understood? If you have, and if they are not perfect squares, if they are the third term is not perfect square, so if it is not, if it is s, go with sign of middle term. If it is not, then check with x plus a times x plus b. And if it has two terms, so then you go with third identity, which is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this is the concept of how to apply algebraic identities in fact for factorizing the given algebraic expressions. Understood, my dear students? Good. So since now you have understood, so let me explain you. Please students, please first one is practice. Once you have done watching this video, practice without seeing. Okay. And while watching, so while watching, what to do? While watching, you try to write running notes. Make it a habit of writing running notes. It helps you a lot in understanding the concepts. And after practicing, check the answers. Okay, check and write the steps. And in my videos, I practice horizontally, so because I don't have space. So in notebooks, write the steps vertically. Okay, vertically, one below the other, one below the other. Okay. Okay, now next thing, please practice examination. It will be very helpful in examinations. And I have as I if you understood, please press the like button for two things. Mainly, I will understand whether the concept which I explained you are able to follow or not. And second thing is, I came to know the YouTube algorithm shares the videos which are liked by many for others. So I want to do it, and so that it can benefit so many students. And after that, subscribe. So it is also the same, the concept is also the same, to follow the algorithm of YouTube, so that it can be benefited by many. And if you understood, so share with your other friends wherever they are. And please comment what to improve, how to improve in these videos, and how can I explain more better for you. And is English language okay, or you want me to explain in any other languages? So please let me know. Okay, take care, bye.